My name is Laydon and I'm teaching Python. Today we just learned functions. So functions are a group of statements used to break down problems into smaller tasks. Our kids were learning how to take their really long and drawn out programs and break them down into smaller tasks. So our Pokemon game, we've actually been improving upon it with the new skills I've been teaching them every single day. They've learned how to break their super long, extended, winded out Pokemon program and break it into smaller functions. So now they're able to build a fight function, which will allow Pokemon to fight within this specific function, a health function, which will dictate how much health points a Pokemon may or may not have. And now they're all working together to make their super massive Pokemon game. I'm definitely having fun. This class has been really enjoyable. They take notes, they ask questions. They want me to use Pokemon analogies so they can understand programming better. So that's definitely been an enjoyment for me.